Welcome, guys, to my YouTube channel. You're highly welcome here. If you're looking for a real fast trick to get 1,000 subscribers or even more on a completely new YouTube account, you basically don't even need to post on this account or make anything on this account, just like a blank account. I'll be teaching you a very big method, a very big step you have to use. So if this trick is actually useful to you, guys, like this video and share to people who are also going to need this video. So for example, this is my main channel. I have over 7,000 subscribers, almost 8k subs here. And this is another channel I actually worked on. And as you can see here, I've gotten 442 in the last few days. And I've been using the same trick to give myself a lot of subscribers, even if I'm not really posting on this channel. And if I ever want to go ahead to create a very new channel without posting, I'll also get to 1k subscribers in weeks, or let's say days also. So this is how to get up with it. Now, this strategy is what I'll be explaining to you right now in this video. And if it helps you, share this video, please. So for example, this is my main channel. I'm going over to my content and I want to teach you about using a channel to help another channel get subscribers. So then I'm going to go ahead to scroll down and locate one of my highest or most viewed content. For example, here on this video, as you can see, I have over 50,000 views. So as you can see, 50,000 views. What this telling to me is like I have a lot of engagement on this video. So as you can see, 50,000 views, or this trick actually works if you have a very good account, like a very good account to its lots of engagement, views, impressions, and everything like that. So if you do have that, or you can also make sure this should work for you. So as you can see, this is 50,000 views here. I will just go ahead to click on my video. So I'll be using one main trick which some people already know here in this video, as something I call collaboration. So just scroll down, click here on show more, scroll down, still go ahead to your manage collaborators. So click here on manage collaborators, and the next thing to do is to search for the name of the channel you want to actually collab with. For example, this is my active collaborator, and that's the reason I got 442 subscribers from just that video on this one. So what you need to do is to come right here and search for the name of the channel you want to collab with, or the name of the channel you actually want to help. So for example, if this is it, all what you have to do is to tap on that channel. So I basically don't want to help this channel again get subscribers. I can just go ahead to, like, using my other channel, let's just go by saying me gaming. So this is it. So I want to help this channel get subscribers. So I'm going to go ahead to click here on this channel, and I'm going to create a link. So I'm going to create a link, and I'm going to copy my link. So what I should do is to send this link or paste it somewhere, like let's say in my notepad, and open it. Yeah, paste it somewhere in my notepad or anywhere, or maybe you can paste it in your WhatsApp and decide to open it later on this channel or the other channel you want to help. So once you're done, you click on save, and you have to accept the pending acceptance there. So once you accept the collaborator invite, your channel is going to get the same number of subscribers that happens. Because for example, if the viewer is watching this video and the viewer actually find your video very nice, and the viewer want to, like, how do I want to put it, the viewer want to subscribe to the channel, is actually going to subscribe for the both of them. So this subscribe button is going to show for this main channel and the other button. So it's helping you accumulate two, or a subscriber on two different channels. So for example, if this video later end up getting a lot of engagement and gives me over 50,000 views, like what's happening here right now, then I should have that number of subscribers and subscribing to both channel on two different channels. So if this works for you, go ahead to like and subscribe. And if you feel like, oh, this trick is not going to work for me because I basically don't have a very big channel that doesn't really get subscribers or like views, you can go ahead to reach out to people with bigger channel and just politely ask for collaborations. So if you politely ask for collaborations, then you might help, or it might help you gain subscribers that other channel also have. So that's how I've been able to transfer over 1,740 subscribers from my main channel to this channel. As you can see, it's been helping actually. So that is one fast way to get 1,000 subscribers or even more on a new account without even posting. So if you basically don't understand, or you need more explanation on this, on how to go about with collaboration, go ahead to, like, type your issue in comment section and I'll see to it. So if this trick is not going to work for you, I'm still going to drop more tricks that's going to work for you. So go ahead to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.